y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. I am talking to myself loud and clear in a mall in Atlanta. I am at Lenox Square. I'm pretty sure is what it's called. They have a Gap. The closest thing to me is a Gap factory, and that's like an hour's drive. So I figured I would stop in, do a little try on haul. I will do my very best to link everything for you in the description box down below. I don't know if they do plus size, so we're about to find out together. I'm on the 4th level. Like, we have nothing like this where I live. So regular Gap, but also Gap Kids. Fingers crossed, women's, at least like extra large sizing. Okay, these denim shirts are really cool. Wait, are we in, I guess maybe we are in the women's. I was gonna say, are we in the kids? This is what caught my eye too. A little drawstring, a pull-on jean, that could be nice. I see large, oh no, large, small, extra small, extra small. Oh wait, here's a whole rack of them. Extra large in the back. That wash is a little bit different than the other ones. Let's see if they have an extra large in the darker wash. I like those. Maybe we'll pull a little plain basic tee. I've been loving brown lately. Okay, just kidding. Those are all smalls. Bermuda loose short. How are these sized? 33. I can't think off the top of my head what size that is. Oh, a 16. Okay, it's worth a try. Wait, there's more basic tees here. I love that brown striped one there on the end. Lots of jeans, which doesn't surprise me, also excites me. However, I don't think they saw actual plus size. Looks like 33 is the largest size available. I do feel like Gap is in for these style shirts as well. The white is pretty too. Let's check sizes for that. This is an extra large. Yeah, we'll try this. It could be cute with the white shorts I pulled. Oh, this is my kind of style. These cute little tops like this. So many cute things in the back of the store too. This is the kind of stuff that I'm really looking for. This is what I think of when I think of Gap. Like the sweaters, the stripes. This is nice. The stitching right there. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. The teddy bear, like a soft textured material. That's cute. I did pull this white dress. They only had a large, well, that was the largest size available, but we're gonna try. The vintage soft tee. I love these from Old Navy, so I assume that they're just as good here. I have so much stuff, y'all. At one point, I just quit filming because I kept grabbing more. Love this red sweatsuit. Came in so many different colors. Red was the only one that was in my size, so we'll try that. I pulled these red striped pants that I thought were really cute. This striped, I don't know if I showed y'all that one. So many cute things. Okay, first outfit. Top is in a size extra large. I think everything is. So I won't tell you the size of everything, but I for sure will link it down below or list it next to the link. I like this. It's like a dress shirt material. I just rolled the sleeves one time. This came in so many different colors. I do think the extra large fits good for what I want to do with it, which is wear it with shorts like this, linen pants, linen shorts. I did ask to the woman that works here if they sold anything in an extra large, and she said most things, but they would have to order them online for you, so not in store. Unfortunately, the shorts are way too tight. They're meant to be like a loose, baggy fit. Old Navy bottoms, I feel like run small, and so this is my first time trying Gap bottoms like this, and I feel like they run small as well because I'm a true plus size 16. I wouldn't say 16 regular, and these are a 16 regular. I knew that I would like this. I own this sweatsuit in the hot pink color that went viral. Everybody has it except for mine is the cropped hoodie version. Both pieces in a size extra large that I own, though I do have the extra large tall in the pants, and I think that I would prefer the tall in these as well. But remember, this came in so many different colors. I actually wanted the hunter green first, but they didn't have my size. So I may order this in a few different colors online. I feel like it's such a cute, comfortable, cozy. It did not shrink in the wash, the hot pink one that I have. I feel like it's such an easy, stylish way to do a set. It's also a thick material, so if it's cold where you live, I feel like this would be good. This is very cute. This is a very like Gap outfit in my opinion. This is the same top as the blue one that I was wearing first, but this is in a stripe, same size, extra large. These are the pull-on like elastic drawstring waist jeans, also in a size extra large. These fit really well. I almost feel like if I stand still, they're slightly barrel, so I can overlook them being a little bit short if they're meant to be a barrel jean. I like the striped shirt better than I like the blue, though this one feels way more roomy, but they both say the big shirt on the inside. So I'm inclined to think they're the same style, but this one fits way more roomy than the solid color. I really do like the top. I feel like I could do so many different things with it. Wear it over a swimsuit, wear, how many times can I say, linen pants, linen shorts. The one side tucked into these pants I thought was really nice. These are an elastic drawstring pant with pockets, again, slight barrel. They're a little bit snug here, but I feel like everywhere else fits really nice, and I don't feel like they're too snug to wear. I do have quite a bit of room in the back though. I also feel like I've tried these pants before, maybe at a factory outlet haul that we've done, and I didn't love them, but for some reason, I kind of love them now. This reminds me of something you would definitely see at Old Navy. I love the color. I love this little detail. It ties, it buttons. This is elastic here. While it's cute with the jeans, I probably wouldn't pair them together, but I don't mind the top. The lace or little detail is all the way around the armpit, all the way around the neck, all the way around in the back. That's what it looks like. If I'm just standing still, no hands in pockets, no fidgeting. I like the color scheme together. Very denim on denim looking, not quite denim. This is a blue plaid, but it's a fun outfit. This did not work, which I didn't really have high hopes. It's in a size large. I think the outer shell would have worked, but there is an inside slip that has zero stretch to it. That is really fun. Okay, not necessarily together, but hear me out. This tee I like. It's a softer, like stretchy material. I love a stripe. We already know this, especially a brown stripe. I'm pretty sure these are sleep pants. They do tie, but on the inside, but I think they're a little bit snug here. So here's the pants, you're seeing them. Let me put my shorts on that I wore in here to show you the top. This is more like it. I would absolutely wear this outfit. I like the stripe. Again, it's super soft. It's very fitted, but it's meant to be fitted, but I think that's okay with a baggier short. I would absolutely wear an outfit just like this. I did wear an outfit just like this in here. Okay, this is cute. It's like a boxy cropped tee. It's a thicker material. It is kind of giving pajamas with these shorts, which is fine, but imagine with some like baggier denim, I think could be really cute in the fall. Again, I love a stripe. The blue and the yellow stripe on this brown, adorable. I love it. I love the brown collar. The sleeves are long enough. They're actually a little bit long. Fun fact, I kind of have long arms, so things are a little bit short on me. I'm a little bit tall too, so I typically with Old Navy or Gap, I'll get the tall version of something. This might be a yes. It also kind of reminds me of something you would find at Aerie, which there is an Aerie here. So maybe I'll see if I can price check some stuff over there and see if I can find something a little bit more affordable. Last item I was probably most excited about. This says 100% cotton on the tag. This roll neck, very cute, again, brown striped sweater. I think that I would like it a size bigger. It would give me a little bit more length, a little bit of room here. How I want to wear it is with jeans, and I typically don't wear cropped things, so I feel like this is a little bit short for how I would style it. I've said recently I'm looking for a roll neck sweater like this, and this is my ideal color scheme. So I think I'll look online and see if I can find this in actual plus size. I think I would like that fit a little bit better. If you're looking for really good roll neck sweaters, I've gotten one from LL Bean. That's where it's from, and I love it. So that is always an option, but LL Bean's a little bit more pricey than Gap. I do think I'll look online for this one in plus size. As this video stands, this is my favorite piece to potentially purchase here. We've already talked about what I want to do with this. So let's do a little price check. Though at this point, you've already seen the price on the screen. $59.95. I don't know if anything's on sale right now, but like I mentioned, I think that I can find something similar to this at Aerie, so I think I'm gonna pass. Everything else is linked in the description box down below. I think I'm gonna order this sweatsuit in the hunter green color in a tall, this roll neck sweater in plus size, and I'm checking Aerie for this. And this is the outfit that I wore in here. I will link this down below for you too. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up, subscribe. We're actually here for a medieval times dinner that we've already done, so I will link that vlog down below for you too if it's already live. But thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.